Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your AirDrop history on iPhone. Currently, Apple does not provide a dedicated AirDrop history page. However, you can still find recently received items. To do so, open your Photos app and click on Albums. Now scroll down and you can see Imports. Here you can see the photos and videos that you have recently imported using AirDrop. You can also check the Files app for recently received documents. Most AirDropped files automatically appear in the appropriate app after transfer. While there isn't an official AirDrop log, these locations can help you locate recently received content. And that's it. That's how to check recent AirDrop activity on iPhone. And if this video helped you, follow us for more tips and tutorials.